I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, Mr. Park. Cookie tells me we're going to be working together.
Didn't you know?
Oh,
Gesundheit.
sorry. Oh,
Gesundheit.
thank you.
You're not catching cold, are you?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
I like the play very much, Miss King, and I'm happy to be in it with you. I've admired your work for a long time.
Well, thank you. Unfortunately, I seldom go to movies, so I'm afraid I can't return the compliment, Mr. Cook tells me. Well, I must say goodbye now, Mr.
Oh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Gesundheit.
I have to...
Gesundheit.
Oh, I'm terribly sorry.
Vivi, you are coming down with something.
Yes, screaming meanies. There is going to be a wedding, isn't there?
I hope so. I love to kiss the bride.
Oh,
Gesundheit.
sorry.
Did you know...
I'm
Gesundheit.
sorry.
Did you know in prep school I was... Gesundheit. I was known as a kissing... Bandit?
What's she up to?
So sorry. Oh, you
Gesundheit.
just have to excuse me. I'm sorry.
What's the matter, darling?
I don't know.
You haven't got a cold.
No. I don't think so.
Oh, what is it?
I tell you, I don't know.
I see. Well, what do you think it is?
Well, it feels sort of like an itching and a tickling all up here and through my nose, you know. I remember having had it once as a child.
Feeling any better?
Oh, yes, thank you.
Good. Yes, I'll get some water.
It's him.
I thought it might be.
I'm allergic to Mr. Parks. He makes me sneeze.
Oh.
David, the printers want to know the date.
The 5th of June, I believe.
The date of the wedding? Our wedding? There is going to be a wedding, isn't there?
I hope so. I love to kiss the bride.
Oh, David.
Oh.
Oh.
Gesundheit.
Oh, I'm sorry, Rick. Cookie, it's just no use of my going on. I just...
How'd you do that?
I didn't do it. You mean you didn't just use your powers? No, I... Wow, I'm scared.
Okay, everybody just stay calm. What happened?
Oh, darn, the electricity went off. Oh.
Oh, wait till you see it, Kyle. Oh, buddy, right this way. You see that? See what?
Chair's up in the air. Well, of course it is. It's a high chair.
Oh, you're still here. Good. You can fix me dinner.
Mother, they were just about to...
Watch where you point that thing when it's loaded. Now, I don't want to get sick.
Oh, Mother, I'm not going to make you sick. I just sneezed.
Yeah, Mona, she just sneezed, huh? Let's get out of here.
Good morning. You ready for our special day?
Mom, you don't sound so hot. Oh, nonsense. Just a little morning phlegm, sweetheart.
No wonder I'm sick. What did you do last night? Lick the roast?
Hold it. Where are you going?
Todd and I are going to New York City. See you later.
Hold it. You're not going to New York City by yourselves.
While you're there, pick me up a half a dozen Bialys, will you?
Mother, it's not like I deliberately got you sick.
Maybe you did. Maybe you did to get back at me for all the years I mistreated you.
Could be.
Gesundheit.
When did the TV repairman say that he'd be here to fix my TV?
He didn't. I left a message on his machine.
Oh, is my chicken soup almost ready?
Uh-huh. Only it's not chicken. It's tomato.
But sick people always get chicken soup.
But she's really sick. Couldn't you make a house call just this once? Okay, thanks. Bye.
Is he coming?
No, he says we have to bring the set in on Tuesday.
Back to the land of ghosts.
Where did Bob?
Oh, honey, you look terrible.
Ben said I looked good.
Van lied. You poor thing. Here, have a seat and I'll make you some pancakes.
Oh, I can't eat anything.
Oh, please, we can't have a family breakfast without any family, even if you are all yucky. Have a seat.
Okay.
And could you smile a little more? See? Van was right. You do look good. And there he is. Now, as soon as Van gets here, we'll all sit down to our nice family breakfast, like the family that we are.
What's wrong with you? I'd be nice. Shut up.
Here's your cereal, Jake, in a bowl, just the way you like it.
Good morning, everyone. Hello, dear.
Hi.
Hey there, sport.
Knock it off and take off that sweater.
Well, not in front of the little ones.
So, Oh, isn't this nice? It's been a while since we've all eaten together at the same time.
Kira, I want that book out of here. It's making me sick.
Bless you. Come on, Kira. We're having family time.
Then turn on the TV.
That's what I said.
Hi.
We went, we parked, we shopped. Bless you.
Sandy, I think you're coming down with something.
And Sandy, you are looking a little peaked.
Peaked? Dad, it's worse than I thought. She looks peaked.
Dave, you're acting stupid.
There's nothing wrong with me. I'm just a little tired.
God bless you.
Well, Sandy, I think I'm taking off for that hockey game.
You have a good time.
Oh, my God.
Oh, I can't believe I slept so long.
Sandy, you look awful.
No, I'm fine. I'm just going to throw together some sandwiches.
And why are you holding a head of cabbage and some leftover beets?
I can't remember.
God bless you. Sandy, you've got the flu. Go to bed.
I don't understand this. I never get sick. Oh!
Oh, jeez, wipe your nose.
I'm gonna go talk to Mom.
No, you're not going anywhere. You're sick.
Well, I'm not that sick.
Sandy, what is it with you that you can't admit that you're sick?
Damn. All right. I am sick. Are you happy?
What do you want to talk about?
We could talk about us.
Us? You and me? In the bedroom? Together?
Yes, Stanley?
If you weren't sick, we could be watching Name That Tune.
Go watch your stupid program.
Maybe I ought to sleep on the couch tonight.
What for?
Well, you got the flu, all those germs and everything.
Oh, you don't have to bother, Stanley. You never get close enough to catch anything.